Hi everyone, welcome to JVS Law. Today in this video I will be providing you notes regarding white collar crime, which includes meaning, definition and types of white collar crime. First, let us understand when was white collar crime introduced and who introduced this. White collar crime was first introduced by American criminologist Edwin Sutherland in 1939. When Sutherland first published his research paper on white collar criminality in the American Sociological Review. Let's understand what is the definition of white collar crime. The white collar crime was firstly defined by Edwin Sutherland as crime committed by a person of respectability and high social status in the course of his occupation. These crimes are non-violent but of trust. Unlike traditional crimes, they are committed using clever planning, manipulation and technical knowledge. The next person who defined white collar crime was Sir Walter Reckless. He defined white collar crime as white collar crime committed by person of status not for need but for greed. White collar crimes refers to economic offences on financial frauds carried out by people in the possession of power, authority or trust. These crimes are usually committed for personal or organizational gain without using physical force or violence. It's time to understand the types of white collar crime. First one, bank fraud. To engage in an act or pattern of activity where the purpose is to defraud a bank of funds. Example, fake loan, forged documents, etc. Corporate frauds involves falsing company accounts, insider trading, manipulating share prices, etc. Insurance fraud. To engage in an act or pattern of activity wherein one obtained proceeds from an insurance company through deceptions. Fourth one is tax evasion. When a person commits fraud in filing or paying taxes. The complexity of tax law in India has provided sufficient scope for the taxpayer to evade taxes. And the fifth one is money laundering. The investment or transfer of money from racketeering, drug transactions or other embezzlement schemes so that it appears that its origin source either cannot be traced or is legitimate. Sixth one, cybercrimes. Online frauds, hacking, phishing, data theft, identity theft, etc. are involved in cybercrimes. Bribery and corruption. Misuse of public office or private gain, taking illegal gratification, etc. comes under bribery and corruption. Medical and educational frauds involves make or giving of false degree, unethical drug testing, overchanging for service, etc. Ninth one, forgery. When a person passes a false or worthless instrument such as check or counterfeit security with the intent to defraud or injure the recipient. And the 10th one is credit card fraud. The unauthorized use of a credit card to obtain goods of value.